Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are gathered with the CEO of TUV Austria Bureau of Inspection and Certification Pakistan, Mr. Rashid Meher, to discuss the much talked about COVID-19 vaccination regime and its impact on our workplace. How do you do, Mr. Meher?
I'm very well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much, Mr. Meher, for being with us today. I'd like to ask you some important questions that our followers from various industries are very keen to know. So let's start with our questions. Has your team received their COVID-19 vaccination?
Yes, almost all of our employees have gotten vaccinated, and the ones who have not are in the process of getting vaccinated. Our company has always prioritized health, safety and well-being of our employees and our clients. Health and safety remain one of our major core values. Our company has encouraged everyone from top to bottom to get vaccinated since the very beginning. It is also in line with our company's core value, the health safety. This is one of the most important core values of our company.
Okay, moving forward, do you think that the vaccine has made our employees and their families safe?
Firstly, there is no solid cure available for coronavirus. However, vaccine remains our strongest weapon to fight COVID-19. We must get ourselves vaccinated and keep on following the SOPs. When the vaccine was made available in Pakistan, as a key player in the TIC industry, we immediately encouraged our frontline leaders, that is our inspectors, engineers, auditors and trainers to get vaccinated. The nature of our business is as such that we have to work closely with our clients at their premises, and we wanted to demonstrate our commitment to our clients, our families and society that we are a very responsible company, and each and every employee took the vaccination drive very seriously. Therefore, I feel that at present we have been able to do well, which shall keep our families, workplace and clients safe.
Has the vaccine enabled us to slowly get back to life?
The only way we could possibly return to pre-COVID-19 days is to get vaccinated. Though offices are now gradually trying to operate at 100% workforce capacity, however, the only way we could ensure that the workplace remains safe is to make vaccination obligatory. End of the day, it is our social responsibility.
Okay, could you please share your experience regarding getting vaccinated?
My personal experience, I would say, was business as normal. I went to one of these vaccination centers in Lahore where I had already gotten myself registered. So they pulled out my information. I went in there. It hardly took 2 to 3 minutes. I got my first jab, and 3 weeks later I got my second jab. It was painless, hassle-free, and I encourage you all to get vaccinated. Don't be afraid of it. At one time in our lives, we have all gotten vaccinated. It's not something which is new to the world. It is not something new to the people of Pakistan. When we were babies, small kids, we all get vaccinated for various diseases. So this is again one of the diseases the mankind faces, and the only way we could counter it is by getting vaccinated.
Okay, and what is your suggestion to people who still haven't gotten themselves vaccinated?
I think let's all act responsible. Pakistani people have to act responsible. We have to demonstrate to the world that we are a responsible nation, a responsible country. Each one of us must step up, get vaccinated. I think the government is already facilitating everyone to get vaccinated, and now it's our turn to step up, go forward, get vaccinated, show it to the world that we are a responsible country, a responsible nation. Once we are all vaccinated, people will be very happy to visit us. People will be very happy to welcome us into their country, because then they would know that Pakistani people are vaccinated, and I think we must not delay it.
Thank you very much for taking out the time to be with us here today, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.
It was my pleasure to be here with you today. Thank you.